Pálína Jónsdóttir, theater director and co-founder and artistic director of Reykjavík Ensemble, international theater company. Reykjavík Ensemble is an international theater company established to promote a new platform for diverse theater artists who are foreign-born and also local theater artists who have found themselves marginalized within the Icelandic theater scene. I have a formal training as an actor from the University of the Arts in Iceland. I also have arts education, a diploma from the same university, and then I have a master's degree in theater directing from Columbia University in New York. Creating and teaching and researching, and it all, kind of constructs this world that I want to live in and I want to create. I guess that I'm here to make a dream come true. I'm trying to create an environment that I wanted to be a part of. When I was a young person, I really wanted to work with international people, and I feel that Iceland really needs that. So the artists that we work with come from all corners of the world, and we are continuously discovering new talents that we either hear of or who reach out to us. And we celebrate, knowing about new people who are residing in Iceland or planning to come here to live and work. Iceland has undergone huge social changes throughout the last few years, and that needs to be reflected on the performing arts scene in the country. So we really established the company in order to create jobs for internationally talented theater artists who found it really difficult to break into the theater scene and participate in being paid. So that's a major priority in the company. And since the inception in 2019, we have worked with around 80 people who have participated in our operation, and we really celebrate the different origins, genders and mother tongues in our productions. There are basically three things that we do in the company. We create new productions, we write and stage new works, we teach, we provide workshops and educational programs in our company, and then we research and continue our own education. So I feel that theater is super important and very effective as a way to, connect people.